frog. Frogs leap so high it looks like they're bouncing off springs. Walrus. Walruses make big splashes with their flippers like playful giants. Blue tangfish. Blue tangs zip through coral like bright blue zigzags. Seahorse. Seahorses drift upright like tiny swimming horses. Hammerhead shark. Hammerheads scan wide areas at once with their extra wide heads. Pufferfish. Pufferfish puff into round balls when they feel startled. Hippopotamus. Hippos sink underwater and pop up like giant bobbing corks. Anglerfish. Anglerfish wiggle a glowing lure like a tiny deep-sea lantern. Ta-da! Cheetah. Cheetahs sprint so fast they look like they're racing the wind. Stingray. Stingrays glide over sand as softly as floating blankets. Panda. Pandas roll around in the grass like fluffy tumbleballs. Clownfish. Clownfish wiggle safely between anemone tentacles like tiny explorers. Stingray. Some stingrays hide by gently dusting sand over their backs. Orca. Orcas leap high enough to throw sparkling spray everywhere. Spider crab. Spider crabs tiptoe on long legs like walking sea towers. Sawfish. Sawfish swish their long saw nose to find hidden snacks in the sand. Polar bear. Polar bears use giant paws like snowshoes to stroll on ice. Duckling. Ducklings paddle their tiny feet like fast twirling propellers. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs swap shells like trying on new mini homes. Sperm whale. Sperm whales dive deep where sunlight never reaches. Turtle. Turtles float peacefully like slow drifting seaboats. Octopus. Octopuses squeeze into tiny spaces like stretchy ocean ninjas. Seal. Seals flop on land but zoom through water like slippery rockets. Starfish. Starfish cling to rocks with lots of tiny suction feet. Goblin shark. Goblin sharks snap their jaws forward like surprise pop-out tools. Eel. Eels slither through the water like long, wiggly ribbons. Shark. Sharks glide so quietly, it feels like they appear from nowhere.